What if I told you there's a new AI that just destroyed Nano Banana? Yup, Reve AI is here, and it doesn't just generate images, it edits them like Photoshop on steroids. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. Alright, let's start with Nano Banana. I gave it an image with a prompt, and, as usual, Nano Banana did a solid job. It generated a clear and original detailed image, and added a few nice flame effects and reflections as per the prompt. It's reliable, but let's be honest, it still feels a bit stiff. You don't get much control beyond just typing your prompt and hoping it gets things right. Now, let's talk about Rev.com. I gave it the same image and same prompt, and the first thing I noticed, it gives you 3 different image variations, and not just random ones. Each variation actually preserves the original face details, background structure, and texture beautifully. But here's where it completely breaks Nano Banana. When you click on Edit, it separates the entire image into layers. That means you can move all the objects in the image wherever you want. And when you hit Apply Edits, Rev automatically regenerates those moved areas perfectly. You don't have to reprompt or redo the whole generation, which is exactly where Nano Banana falls short. And the best part? Reve AI is free. No subscription, no credits, just straight creative control. For fun, I also tried ChatGPT's image generation, and, well, let's say it's not quite ready to compete yet. It got the general idea, but the facial structure looked off, the details were softer, and it missed that realistic touch that both Nano Banana and Reve AI deliver. So, here's how I'd rank them after testing all 3. Third, we've got ChatGPT's image generation. It's decent, but still too basic when it comes to visuals. Second, Nano Banana. It's reliable, gives clean results, but lacks that creative freedom we actually need. And finally, first place, Rev.com. Smarter image generation, editable layers, and way more control. So yeah, Rev didn't just compete with Nano Banana, it straight up broke it. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.